Here we have Mr. Yogesh Nanda, who is the Assistant Professor in the Management Department in ICRI Institute, Associated Educational Partner with Himgiri University. Sir has dual master degree in Marketing and Finance, and currently he is pursuing his PhD in Management Department from Himgiri University. Sir has more than 9 years of corporate world experience, where he has worked with Fortune 500 companies around the globe. From the last 8 years, sir is associated with education industry. Sir, we welcome you on our program, Thoughts on Education.
Thank you so much.
So, sir, coming to the interview part, we would like to know, what being the faculty of management department, what are your roles and responsibilities toward the student?
Thank you so much, Praveen, for introducing me to this new era of education, new world of education, the digital world, as we say. See, it is as a faculty, as a professor, as a assistant professor in the management department, not me, I think each and everyone who's associated with the education industry, our prime role is to impart knowledge to the students. That is the prime focus. That is the reason why we are here. We are here not only to just teach them what is there in the syllabus, but we are also here to make them a good human being. Number two, things which are not mentioned in the books, we discuss it and make sure the general knowledge, what a student needs to be in the current world and scenario. As an educationist, as a assistant professor, it is our job and responsibility and duty to make sure that each and every one, each student of us is capable of, once he parts away from university and has his own degree in his hand, तो वो उतना सक्षम होना चाहिए कि वो हर परिस्थिति में अपना पैर जमा सके. Not only in the specialized world, the specialized field of his, but any field, master of all trades.
And exactly, sir. He should be prepared for all kind.
I'm sorry?
He should be prepared for all the challenges he's going to face in this.
Yes.
Now, sir.
Sorry. Yes.
Moving to next question, how do you tend to establish healthy relation with the students?
See, I'll tell you what happens is, जब बच्चा स्कूल छोड़ के कॉलेज की दुनिया में आता है ना, आपकी दुनिया में, कॉलेज दुनिया में आता है, तो हमारे हिसाब से ना एक वो कच्ची मिट्टी होती है. जैसे कुम्हार के पास जाती है ना कच्ची मिट्टी,
yes, sir.
तो कुम्हार उसको शेप देता है घड़े की, गमले की, कप की, उसमें उस हिसाब से आप पानी भरते हैं, पौधा लगाते हैं और वो एक दिन फलदार पेड़ बन जाता है. वही हमारी मान्यता है. दैट इज व्हाट आई थिंक. वंस अ स्टूडेंट passes his 12th or her 12th, तो कॉलेज में आता है, उसके अपने ख्वाब होते हैं, इंस्पिरेशन होती है, एस्पिरेशंस होती हैं कि मैं ये बनूंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, मैं ऐसा बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं ऐसा बनना चाहता हूँ. मैं अगर अपनी बात करूँ या अपने सहपाठियों की बात करूँ, माय कलीग्स, हम ये मेक श्योर करते हैं कि utmost comfort is given to the student. हम उसका जैसे घर में ना environment, father का, mother का, a fellow, a friend, a guide, we make sure that उसको sudden effect ना पड़े कि अरे I am into a undergraduate program, there's a lot of responsibility and roles and there's a lot of burden onto my head. No, we take it slowly and gradually. और हम कुम्हार बनते हैं, उस कच्ची मिट्टी को एक अच्छी सी शेप देने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो जब हमारा बच्चा हमारे साथ उंगली पकड़ के 3 साल 5 साल चलता है, और आगे जाके वो देखते हैं कि हमसे भी बेहतर कर रहा है जिंदगी में, इससे कर उससे ज्यादा की बात. जब हमारे बच्चे हों या हमारे कॉलेज के बच्चे हों, I feel they are my family forever. So
Great,
I'm
sir.
always a mentor, a teacher. I'm good. I'm डांटूंगा भी, मारूंगा तो नहीं, अब तो है नहीं, अब वो चला, हमने तो बहुत मार खाई थी अपने दौर में, बट ये क्या है, मेक श्योर they live happy forever, even passing on, even
Great,
after
sir.
passing.
Great, sir. Now, sir,
Yes.
moving to next question, how do you try to bring in practical approach toward subjects and make it more industry oriented?
Okay. Now understand, Praveen,
Yes, sir.
today's world is all about practical implementation, practical knowledge. Theoretical ज्ञान बहुत हो गया है. See, understand, for reference and reference to context, you have to have that book in your hand. But the subject that we take care of is aviation, you know, and medical, clinical research, let's say, which are more into the practical approach. Once the theoretical part is done, I'll say in any general management subject is better. All general management subject. The practical approach implies is like, see, I cannot wait for the student to get graduated and apply his knowledge. One second. See, practical approach and practical implementation is utmost important along with theoretical knowledge. I can only teach you to be good, but I need to see whether you're good or not.
Yes,
I
sir.
can teach you how to speak. I can impart knowledge, bookish knowledge, but I need to see whether you've gained it or not. And to see, I need to apply practical approach. I need to see students whether whatever has been taught in the class, क्या उन्होंने ज्ञान किया बात. Then there is a comparative study. तब हम समझते हैं हाँ बच्चे को हमने कितना पढ़ाया, उसने कितना ज्ञान बटोरा, और उसके आधार पे हम बच्चे को मापदंड में बोलते हैं. I think in today's world, be it anywhere, in any field of life or in any course of life, practical approach is one way ahead of the theoretical. And as I told you, we are more into the practical application because our subject talks about aviation. So
Yes,
हम
sir.
बच्चे को उसकी grooming से लेके knowledge department से लेके उसकी practical implementation, उसकी practical knowledge, his and her grasping power, we make sure that everything is covered and we see everything is covered, and we actually do it by
Great, sir. Obviously,
बच्चे को उस जगह पे लाके खड़ा करना, या उस एयरपोर्ट पे अगर हम उसको ट्रेनिंग दिलवा रहे हैं तो उस एयरपोर्ट पे हमें समझ में आया था कि बच्चे को कितना हमने ज्ञान दिया और उसने कितना ज्ञान दिया. तो प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच इज utmost important, and at ICR Ireland we take care of it in a very good way. I support it, and which is very good.
yes, sir.
है ना. 3 साल तक तैयारी करना, पढ़ो और दिखाओ कि आपने कितना ज्ञान दिया है.
Exactly,
हाँ
sir.
जी.
So, sir, as we talk about some practical approaches and preparing student for industry, what are your views upon the placement and higher education about the student from your department, or I would rephrase it, how does your department prepare student for placement or for higher education?
See, as I right now said कि हम practical approach में believe करते हैं, and the subject that we teach is obviously theoretical knowledge तो है along with practical implementation. Now understand, see, as we cater to the hospitality industry, ILM, ICRI, we are nurturing बच्चों का भविष्य, we are making them ready for the future. And obviously we are talking about the service industry. As we all know, the service industry, the hospitality industry, and we cater to them. And when we talk about imparting knowledge, वी ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट हमारा बच्चा दुनिया की बेहतरीन कंपनी में काम करे। अब हुआ कैसे और होता ऐसे है, हमने उसको पढ़ाया, हमने उसको ट्रेनिंग में भेजा, हमने प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करवाई। कई बच्चे जो ट्रेनिंग में जाते हैं ना, आई सी अंडरस्टैंड, जो बच्चा जहाँ गया पढ़ने लिखने सीखने, ऑब्वियसली यू हैव योर सुपरवाइजर्स देयर, यू हैव योर मैनेजर्स देयर, वो वहीं से बच्चे हीरे को तलाश लेते हैं। झोरी की आंख होती है ना, हीरे को तलाश लेती है, बच्चा वहीं से ले लेता है। जो बच्चे रह जाते हैं, हम उनकी प्लेसमेंट, we make sure each and every student of ours is placed the best of the company and the best package. And I don't think so that it can be said also कि hospitality industry में जगह नहीं है। Hospitality industry is like an ocean of opportunities, like an ocean of opportunities. आप जितना डालेंगे उतना अच्छा।
Exactly. So, sir, how does the curriculum of your department ensures the best practice of the industry?
You need to be updated in today's world. हमने कभी नहीं सोचा था हम अध्यापक ऐसे भी होंगे, ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई करेंगे, बच्चे स्कूल नहीं गया आज तक मगर वो ऑनलाइन यूकेजी, एलकेजी, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड दे आर doing wonders. We never thought there'll be a digital world until 2019, till Corona and COVID hit the world. But slowly and steadily and gradually, everybody grasped to the technical aspects of the life. That is it. Once we create a syllabus, we definitely make sure that it is as per the industry standard. जो मार्केट में है वो किताब, अगर वो किताब में नहीं है तो हम लोगों का दायित्व बनता है, इट इज आवर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी, इट इज आवर रोल, इट इज आवर ड्यूटी टू मेक श्योर व्हाट इज नॉट देयर इन द सिलेबस इज आल्सो बीइंग टॉट, बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ फ्यूचर्स, एक बच्चे के फ्यूचर की बात। So we have to make sure, and we definitely review our syllabus time to time. It has been updated every semester, we can say, or if there is requirement every semester or every year as per the industry standard or as per the UGC norms. It's absolutely clear. So I don't think so there is a compromise between, or there's a compromise on syllabus as per the industry standard. अगर हम इंडस्ट्री कहती है हमें काला चाहिए, हम काला देते हैं, कहते गुलाबी चाहिए, हम गुलाबी देते हैं, हमें कहते लाल चाहिए, हम लाल। So we all are here to meet to make future managers, and that's what we are good at.
Great. So, sir, now coming to last question, what valuable advice would you like to give to student for them to have a prosperous career ahead?
Okay. See, that is a very nice question, first of all, and I love my students. So my advice to all my students and my future students and who want to enroll at ICRI ILM, I'll repeat myself, it is a world of opportunities, hospitality industry. Come, join us, fly high in your dreams, in your reality, and we are here to help you. We'll make sure that you are successful in your career in any field and any path that you choose. My suggestion is, anything might come down, but hospitality industry, aviation industry can never collapse. अगर कोविड आया तो भी दुनिया को सिर्फ एक ही चीज ने बचाया। आज अफगानिस्तान त्राही हो रहा है, उसका भी एक ही इवैक्यूएशन है, that is aviation. So you're most welcome. My advice is opt for a good career in aviation. Join ICRI ILM. We are here as a good team. You're most welcome, with open heart, open hands. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time.